special Barney double feature with 2 times the fun on 2 terrific videos.
This is going to be lots of fun.
First, from tissues to toothbrushes, it's Barney and his friends at their squeaky cleanest.
You really should cover your nose and mouth when you sneeze, sugar.
Come along as Barney and the kids learn all about staying healthy in Good Clean Fun.
Well, brushing your teeth after eating helps keep your teeth clean and safe from germs.
But the smiles don't end there, because when it comes to getting along with your brother or sister, BJ and Baby Bob have got it all figured out.
Being different is what makes each of you special.
That's right. Learn all about working and playing together in Oh Brother, She's My Sister.
It's nice when families play and have fun together.
Get ready for 2 great videos full of good, clean family fun with everyone's favorite purple dinosaur. Don't miss Barney's Good Clean Fun and Oh Brother, She's My Sister. Now available together on home video for one low price from Lyric Studios.
Climb aboard.
3, 2,
Begin the countdown. And get ready for a big surprise. That's right. Enjoy music and more and fun galore in 3 terrific new videos from Barney. Barney in Outer Space, It's Time for Counting, and Barney's Big Surprise. Remember, in space, everyone can hear you sing. Join Barney and his friends for an out-of-this-world adventure in Barney in Outer Space. Then, come back down to Earth for some good old-fashioned fun with numbers in It's Time for Counting.
1, 2, 3.
And finally, see your favorite dinosaur live and in purple in the video recording of his very first national stage show tour, Barney's Big Surprise. Don't miss out on all the fun. So come on along because the adventure never ends with everyone's favorite friend. Look for Barney in Outer Space. It's Time for Counting and Barney's Big Surprise, only on home video from Lyric Studios. Now on sale wherever tapes and CDs are sold, Barney's Great Adventure, the movie. Soundtrack available from Lyric Studios.
With a little imagination,
Perhaps I could be in a circus. Ta-da!
or perhaps you could be a superhero.
It's Wonder Kipper, the super dog.
Or what if you flew through the air with the greatest of ease?
The daring, world-famous trapeze artist.
You could even wave your wand and work a little magic. When you put your mind to it, there's no telling where your imagination will lead you. Just imagine that. With Kipper and his friends, you can be a clown or a ballerina.
Nope.
Okay, maybe not. How about a pirate?
Yeah, brilliant. Pirate Kipper of the high seas.
Or how about just being someone's best friend? Be whatever you want to be. Go wherever you want to go. And do whatever you want to do. Whatever you do, you'll have the time of your life with Kipper. Imagine that. Now on home video from your friends at KISS Entertainment.
She's by my side.
It's nice outside.
All right, concentrate. I met her in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
In the Bahamas.
In my pajamas.
All right, in my pajamas.
In the Bahamas.
From Lyric Studios, the director of Barney here is with us.
First day of school, my teacher
Comes an Ollie and a jolly performer.
for your parents. So I drew a picture
The
of
whole family will love.
and I named him Terrence. When I
For
gave
12
her
years,
that
he's
picture,
entertained his families everywhere.
she said, I love pink alligators. Then she bought some magnets and
He's
she
won many awards, including the Parents' Prince.
refrigerator. And she said
And you can bring them home on 2 great videos. Experience all the songs, the smiles, and a lot more fun. And then you enjoy the show. Just subscribe. Live from Deep in Struggle and Total TV now on video. Look for other JoJo adventures on CD and cassette.
Now, stay tuned for Little Bear.
I'm Little Bear, and you can get Little Bear in stores right now on video. Hip hip, hooray! It's a big world for a little bear. A world full of adventure. Maybe you should come with me to the North Pole. New discoveries. Father Bear, the mountains are huge. Good friends. I'm Little Bear's friend Emily. I'm Duck. I'm Little Bear's friend too. And lots of love. For you are my little bear. When you have Little Bear videos, you can go as far as your imagination will take you. I'm going to the moon. Look for lots of Little Bear adventures on video. Come on. You'll find them at a store near you.
Video sells for root scores on Nickelodeon. Oh dear. Something to avoid is I want some stuff to be. I'll get some to avoid the noise.